If you've been feeling bloated, sluggish, or just not quite right lately, this might be exactly what you need. Welcome to this 3-day gut health reset, a simple, science-backed way to help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and feel lighter in just a few days. What if I told you that in just 3 days, you could reduce bloating, improve digestion, and feel noticeably lighter without extreme diets or expensive supplements? Today, we're breaking down a 3-day gut reset that actually works based on real science, not trends. Let's get into it. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's home to trillions of bacteria known as your gut microbiome. These bacteria affect your digestion, your immune system, even your mood and energy levels. But here's the problem. Processed foods, stress, lack of sleep, and sugar can throw your gut out of balance. The result? Bloating, fatigue, irregular digestion, and cravings. That's where a short reset can help. This isn't a detox or cleanse. You're not starving yourself. You're not drinking weird juices all day. Instead, this reset does 3 things. 1. Removes irritants. 2. Feeds good bacteria. 3. Supports digestion naturally. Let's walk through it day by day. Day 1 is all about clearing the noise. Here's what to do. Cut out processed foods. Avoid sugar and artificial sweeteners. Skip dairy and fried foods. Drink plenty of water. Focus on simple meals. Rice or oats. Steamed vegetables. Lean protein like chicken or fish. Why this works? You're removing foods that commonly irritate the gut and cause inflammation. Bonus tip, start your morning with warm water and a squeeze of lemon. It helps kickstart digestion. Now that your gut has had a break, it's time to feed the good bacteria. Add these foods. Probiotics, yogurt, kefir, fermented foods like kimchi. Prebiotics, bananas, garlic, onions, oats. Also, keep meals simple. Eat slowly. Stay hydrated. Why this works? You're introducing beneficial bacteria and giving them the fiber they need to grow. This is where many people start to feel less bloated already. Day 3 is about making your gut more resilient. Now you can add more variety to your meals. Include healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Continue probiotics and fiber. But here's the key habit. Eat mindfully. Chew your food slowly. Avoid overeating. Try to eat without distractions. Why this works? Digestion actually starts in your mouth. Eating slower reduces stress on your gut. After 3 days, most people notice less bloating, better digestion, more stable energy, reduced cravings. But remember, this isn't a permanent fix. It's a reset button, not a long-term solution. This reset is safe for most people. But if you have medical conditions or digestive disorders, it's always best to consult a professional. Also, don't expect miracles overnight. Real gut health comes from consistent habits. If you want to keep your gut healthy after the reset, eat whole foods most of the time. Include fiber and fermented foods regularly. Manage stress and get enough sleep. Your gut will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-based health tips. And let me know in the comments, would you try this 3-day gut reset? See you in the next video.